Good morning, students. In our previous class, we learned about the simple past tense, and now today we are going to learn about the past continuous tense. So, as you know, past tense, the action taken place in the past, that is the past time. Uh, in simple past, the time is not mentioned when the action had performed or when verb took the action. That is, the time was not particularized there. That's why that is called simple past tense. But in past continuous tense, what happened? In past continuous tense, the action was going on for a fixed period of time. The action was going on for a fixed period of time, or the time had mentioned there. That's why that is called the past continuous tense. Why? As because there was a continuity in the action of the verb. There was a continuity in the action of the verb. That's why it is called the past continuous tense, and it worked for a long time. It worked for a long time, but it is also not has an end point. It is also has not an end point, and that's why it is called continuous. As for example, so what past continuous tense? Past continuous tense shows the action of the verb in past which was going on. Which was going on. So past continuous tense shows the action of the verb in past which was going on. And what are the structure? How to make sentence? What are the rules? As you know, to make a sentence, we have to take a subject, we have to take a verb, and we have to take an object. This is the general rule for making a sentence. And here, to make a sentence in past continuous tense, first of all, for assertive sentence, we take subject, then was, were as an helping verb, then fourth form of the verb, that is called the main verb, and then object, See the example. I was reading a book. Here I is the subject. Was or where. An option is there, and that's why I was is used with I. That's why we take was here as an helping verb, and then fourth form of the verb, that is reading. The fourth form of the read verb is reading. Second form of the read verb is read, third form of the read verb is read, fourth form of the read verb is reading, and fifth form of the read verb is reads. So here fourth form of the verb is reading, and a book is the object. And in this structure and in this way, you can make several sentence. You can prepare several sentence, so many new sentences. As for example, you are playing cricket, or she was singing a song, or he was reading a book. So many sentences you can form. You can write a new sentence, and when we change it into negative statement, that is subject plus was were, helping verb, subject plus was were plus not plus verb 4 plus object, that is the negative statement. So what is the difference with positive statement and the negative statement? The difference is very slight one, a little bit one. That is one word, that is called the negative word of the sentence, that is the not. So not is the difference with the positive statement. In positive statements there is no negative word, but in negative statements we have to put a negative word, that is called not. And that's why we can make the sentence, he was not playing cricket. He was not playing cricket. This is the form, and in this way we can make the several sentence. We can form new sentence. You yourself make so many sentence. And when we change it into the interrogative sentence, as we know, interrogative means to ask question. And when we ask question, we put the verb at the beginning of the sentence. When we ask question, there are two forms of asking question. One is the by question or words, that is called interrogative pronoun, and another is by helping verb. And we put helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then verb 4, then object, and then question marks. Question mark is necessary, and that's why we make the sentence where they singing a song. Where is the helping verb? We have to put at the beginning of the sentence, then subject they, and singing is the fourth form of the verb, a song is the object, and then question marks. So in this way we make interrogative sentence, and hope you will able to make another interrogative sentence. Was he going to school? Was he going to school? For another sentence, was the bird singing in the trees? Like this. And like this, so many sentence you can form, you can make yourself. There will be no any difficulty. And if we have to make the negative interrogative sentence or interrogative negative sentence, in this form, in this way we can make them. What is this? We have to put was where at the beginning of the sentence, and subject plus not plus verb 4 plus object, then question marks. uh, this is the long form. And what is the short form? The short form of was, the short form of where, then subject plus verb 4 plus object plus question mark. To both the form or both the structure you can use yourself, which one you will feel easy one, you use that one. The example is, were they not singing a song? This is the long form. And what is the short form? Weren't they singing a song? This is the short form. And in this way, student, we can make several sentence. You yourself can make several sentence. You yourself form several sentence. And I hope there will be no any difficulty for making sentence or to recognize the form of the verb. When you asked in the school, when you asked in the examination, what is the or you may your teacher may put the question, fill in the blanks with suitable verb forms. You have to put the, whether you have to put the helping verb, or you have to put the main verb in your fill in the blanks for preparation of the examination. Usually we put both these verbs, helping verbs or the main verbs. And I hope you will able to do so, and there will be no difficulty. If you feel any difficulty, if you face any hardship for understanding the lesson, then you may consult me, you may ask me by telephonically, by WhatsApp, by through Google Classroom, by email, or by any means you may contact with me. For your courage, I am always ready to solve your problem. Okay, so thanks today, thanks for watching, thanks for listening my videos and my class. You are all very thanks.